How to find best-selling Labubu characters in Pop Mart. In this video, I will guide you on how to find best-selling Labubu characters in Pop Mart. For that, you want to open up any web browser. Now search for Pop Mart, then head over to popmart.com. Make sure to log into your account. Now click on the New and Featured option. From here, you want to select all products. Now you want to scroll down a bit. You will find the character section. From here, find Labubu. Then click on that. Now, all of the Labubu products will be shown over here. You will find the option of Sort By. Click on that. From this drop-down, select the option of Best Selling. Now all of the best-selling Labubus will be shown over here. Most of them might be out of stock. You simply want to scroll down and find the one which is available, then click on that. You will get more description from here. If you want to purchase it, simply click on the Add to Back option. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.